Congratulations on beginning your path to woodworking. Here are 5 tools that you should have to get started with that could potentially save you hundreds of dollars down the road. Hello, my name is Zach and I'm with the Lavelle Woodworking Studio. I won't be showing you any of these tools right now because you can find plenty of examples online, but let's get into it. The first tool that you should have is a combination square. This tool is all about precision. You can use it to mark perfect 90-degree and 45-degree angles. It allows you to check the depth of cuts. It is especially handy when you're doing layouts for joints. Second tool should be a circular saw. This is your go-to for cutting boards to size quickly. It will handle both cross cuts and rip cuts. And with guide rail or a straight edge, you're able to achieve table saw level accuracy and repeatability. It is both portable and powerful, and it can save a lot of time compared to using a handsaw. Third tool should be a random orbital sander. This tool helps smooth surfaces and prepares them for finishing. And unlike most sanders and hand sanding, it does help prevent some of the sanding marks that are left behind as you work your way up in the grits. It does an excellent job of removing a lot of material quickly and then getting down to that final smooth finish that you need before applying finish or stain. Fourth tool should be a set of chisels. Chisels are the fine detail tools of woodworking. They let you clean out joints, trim excess glue, and pare down wood for a snug fit. These are perfect for mortise and tenon joints, as well as many other types of joints. And the fifth tool should be a block plane. This is a small hand tool that fits snugly in your hand and is perfect for fine adjustments. You can use it to smooth edges, trim end grain, or create subtle bevels. This is perfect to use on joints to help sneak up on that snug fit. You can also use it to knock down some high spots before using the random orbital sander. With these 5 tools, they'll help create the foundation that you need to learn and grow. Just like elementary school, they don't start you off learning algebra and history. They begin by teaching you the fundamentals that you need to learn and grow. And with these 5 tools, they'll help you grow from small projects to big projects. While these may not be the first 5 tools that you should have, these are the 5 tools that I would recommend to begin with. Please leave a comment below for other tools you feel like beginning woodworkers should have. And to wrap things up, the reason I recommend these 5 tools is they help build that foundation that you need to get into woodworking. If you find out that woodworking is not for you, you haven't spent a whole lot of money. There are plenty of people that start off buying expensive equipment just to find out that they do not like woodworking and then are out a lot of money when they try to resell everything that they just bought. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button down below. If you want to learn more about woodworking, furniture building, furniture repair, and the business of woodworking, please hit the subscribe button and follow along. Until next time, have a wonderful day.